Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to analyze Misha Play website, and I'll also explain Misha Play is a scam or legit. So this is the homepage of this website. The website is offering various kids accessories like clothes, shoes, extensive collection of clothes for girls and boys, etc. You can see the product category in the menu option. Now let's take a look at the entire information of this website. So guys, you can see the contact us information is available on the website. The email is info@mishaplay.com. The contact number is also available, and authorized person's name is also available, Walter Waldhall, and the address is also available. But guys, the address is fake. And let's take a look at the shipping policy. So the standard shipping policy duration is 5 to 8 days. And let's take a look at the return policy. So the client can return the new item within 7 days after delivery and get a full refund in the following cases. You can read the entire norms and cases here. And let's take a look at the privacy policy. So if you want to read this policy, then you can simply click this option and get to know about the privacy policy of this website. Let's take a look at the FAQ section. So here you will find various questions related to product delivery, shipping, and payment, order status, etc. So you can read these questions and get the answers to these questions. And when we talk about the customers review, guys, people are reporting that they purchased items which were on the site offered at ridiculously low prices, but that the items can no longer be found, like kayaks, tractor parts, workbenches, e-bikes, toddler beds, etc. And I also want to tell you that mishaplay.com was created at 5th of March 2020. This is a new website. So no reviews are available on the website. People were dissatisfied with the product quality and the entire things. So guys, mishaplay.com is a scam. This is not a legit website. And apart from that, I also want to tell you some important things that you should consider while online shopping. First of all, check the website trust seals. Check whether the website has the padlock with HTTPS or not. And always look for website's details like domain age, date, and last update of the website. And always look for website review, guys, because it will help you to get to know about the legitimacy of the website. So as this is the unbiased review, I'm not promoting this website. My motive is to provide the authentic information about any website. So in case you had a bad experience with this company, guys, you can share your experiences in the comment box. It will also give benefit to other customers while doing online shopping and reviewing a website. So if this video is helpful for you, then give a thumbs up. Share your good and bad experiences with the company in your comments, and I'll get back to you with more scam alerts. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Thank you so much.